Let's make a simple crock-pot honey garlic chicken. I'll start by spraying my crock-pot with non-stick spray, and then I'm actually adding frozen chicken parts to the crock-pot, so you'll have to cook them longer. And then I'll add some soy sauce. And I'm spraying my measuring cup for my honey because it's actually easier for the honey to get out of it, like completely. Now in a separate bowl, I will mix together my minced garlic, minced ginger, and red wine vinegar, and I'll give that a whisk. If I was to make this meal again, I would actually put the honey and the soy sauce in the same bowl and mix it all together, but it was amazing just the same. I'm just gonna dump this in on my chicken. And then I'll cover it and cook it on high for about 3 hours or until my chicken's cooked through. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna take my chicken parts out and set them aside. They look so good. I'm going to add some cornstarch to my sauce and I'll whisk it really good, and then I'm actually going to put it back on high for about 15 to 20 minutes to get it all thickened. And then I'm going to serve this with some white rice. And don't forget the sauce. It was so good, you guys. You've definitely got to make this. And it was so easy.